Four girls with different backgrounds and different histories brought together by a winning destiny. It changed their lives forever. For many of the aspiring youth out there, theirs is the story of the Indian dream. They are the pop stars. Viva! Hi girls.
Hi.
You're looking very glamorous, very sexy.
Nothing compared. I was going to say that. Nothing in front of you.
We're actually in awe of you, you know. We're like, we're finally meeting her.
I know. I mean, I'm telling everyone, my mom and everyone, that we're coming on your show, and wow.
Well, I'm delighted to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Pleasure.
It's a pleasure for us as well.
As a group, you're India's top female band, but you're separately, you're four individuals. You're from different backgrounds, different cities.
I'm from Pune.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Lots of cities. My dad was in the Navy, so I've been transferred around a lot. But when I just came to Bombay, I'm from Secunderabad, you know, because 9 years there. But now I'm a Bombayite.
But before Pop Stars happened, what were you doing? What were you studying?
I had just given my second year BCom in Pune, and I had taken a break for a year to get into music.
I was studying sociology honors. I was in Lady Shriram College in Delhi. And I was, of course, sitting on the net every night surfing for universities abroad. I really, really wanted to study music abroad.
You?
I was working as a designer with Pantaloon.
Okay. And you were thinking of going to advertising?
Yeah, I was in school.
You were in school, you're the baby.
The tallest baby.
Baby. Tell me, you are trained and you are trained.
That's right.
You are not trained but equally talented.
She's instrumentally
Trained.
You can play the keyboards, the piano, the duffly, the drums.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How do you do it?
I don't know. Touch wood. I have a knack for instruments, and I'm really glad, you know, that my parents encouraged me, you know, since I was a kid.
But you taught yourself.
Initially, yeah. I started on my own. I used to go away tapping at the keys, but then I had to get a teacher because I had to give my grade exams and everything.
Okay.
So that's how the whole thing started.
And your father's a lawyer, right? Yeah. And how did you get into this passion for music?
Basically, we have a musical family where everyone sings and, you know, everyone has a passion for instruments. So that's how I got it. And I don't know how. I mean, since I was 9, I just knew that I wanted to sing.
You're the only one who really dreamt of being a pop star.
I really dreamt of it. I know that much. I used to imagine myself, actually, I used to put on Mariah Carey, close my eyes to imagine myself wearing a black gown, slit up till here, with these hoops, and I'm like, pull on.
Now you know where I get it from.
Okay, but tell me, girls, does being trained or untrained make any difference?
I think it does.
It does.
It does.
How?
Because you know what, you know, when you meet a music director, you know what they're talking about.
You know how to modulate your voice.
You understand your voice better.
You understand your capabilities where you can't push yourself, where you can.
And in a band, that I think is the most important thing, you know, because all four of us need to know how to blend our voices.
Are your speeds of learning equally fast?
No.
It differs in dancing and singing.
Who are the fast learners?
I think Patichi is very strong with her notes. I mean, I think I'm the slowest.
No, I'm the slowest. Don't lie. No, as far as harmonies go, Anushka picks it up with that. That's the
Anushka picks up
instrument
harmony.
Trained in Hindi classical.
No, as in like, you know, the harkats or whatever. Patichi is really good with the harkats.
Yeah, she's got a, I always say she has a voice like a nightingale.
Like, what is a harkat? Give me an idea.
and like this semi-classical stuff, slightly more quicker notes, something like that.
Like a jump.
Like a,
Na.
they seem to be doing it better than I am right now.
So how do you do it then? Getting those little...
Yeah. That's what I said. She sounds like a nightingale when she sings. I love her voice.
Wow, that's very interesting. On a scale of 1 to 10, when you enter the contest, what did you think were your chances of winning?
The first day.
Oh, that was 6.
6.
Yeah. Depends on 10 like would be, you know, short
Absolutely
chance.
sure, yeah.
You thought
Yeah.
6.
I would give myself a 7.
Oh,
First day.
first day.
The first
Out of my
moment.
batch, number 8.
Oh yeah, I mean, Pratishi was in my batch.
And Anushka, you...
I really didn't care. I was very indifferent, you know, whether I'd get selected or not. I was just going just like that,
The fun of it.
for the fun of it.
What did you say? What did you think?
I just, you know, there was a girl with me who was singing really well, and I was like, oh my God, she sings so well. Oh my God. Oh my God, what am I going to do? And then I was like, forget it, go and sing. So I went there, I shut my eyes and I sang.
What did you sing?
I sang Churalia. We all sang Churalia.
Yeah, that everybody had to sing.
Yeah.
Initially, I really didn't care whether I'd make it or not. But
That's what I wanted to
as
know.
it went on, suddenly I was like, I have to get through this. I have to be in the band. And I would tell her in the night, Neha, agar hum select nahi honge, to kya hoga yaar? And she's like, kood jayenge yaar. And I'm like, हाँ यार,
Really?
kood jayenge.
It built up in all of
It
you?
was, yeah. Mine, I felt
Incredible.
I had to make it after I got through the first day.
First day.
Yeah. Once they selected me, you know, I was like, wow, Mahua, you can do it.
Okay.
I think as the stages kept happening, I just got more and more confident about myself, and by the same time, a little bit of nervousness was always there when the people were sent back. That was like, what if it's me one day? You know, and then when you finally reach the final 10, we were the final 15 actually, and we were put into groups of 5 each, and we were made into small clusters.
We were
And we
scared.
were asked to sing, and suddenly from the corner of my eyes, I saw Neha next to me. Oh, Neha is next to me. I'm there in the final 10 at least. So I was like that. So I think that
But could you lead a normal life at home? I mean, you know, or did you think what's going to happen?
there was no time to think because there was only 1 day, 2 days, and we got to know.
No, but Jay and I were like dying. Delhi happened first.
Long ago. Yeah, long before.
Everything was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
should I study? Should I not study? Should I pack my bag? Should I not pack my bag? Should I go shopping?
That's
Should I
what-
not go shopping? I was like, my life is a big if.
I figure there must have been like watching each and every pop star interstitial, every ad. I mean, I was doing that for those 2
I
days.
went to work.
You've
Must
been
have
doing it
been a
for
lot
like
of suspense.
Yeah.
But it wasn't, I was like, I have to know if I've gotten through.
But you used to get
If I've gotten through, then I won't study, yeah? If I've gotten through, then, you know,
Everything
then-
revolves around the studying out here.
At that point of time, because
You want to know what to do with your life.
Yeah, I really wanted to know because
But tell me, that moment when you knew that you were the chosen pop stars. Can you describe it?
Oh, we have like loads. We have like different stories. Sandeep Chauta came home to my place, and believe me, I didn't have even an inkling whether I'd made it or not. You know, I was just so scared with so many good singers, and we just finished off with the intensive auditions, and there was just that whole air of, you know, suspense and yeah, hoga ki nahi hoga. I mean, you know. But he came home and he sat down. He sat me down. He said, Mahua,
And I'm really, really sorry.
I'm not going to the side.
Yeah, you haven't made it to the 5.
And I just saw my mom's face in front of me. She was still smiling. I said, I know, it's okay, I'll try. I mean, life goes on. Made it, I mean.
You know, what I liked about Mahua, she never ever broke down or she had nerves of steel throughout. Even now, you're just so confident and, you know, no matter what. Anyway, you didn't make it to the final 5 of standbys, okay?
Huh? And I was like, it was like awesome.
Totally.
Indescribable.
just whole flash of
Tuck, 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 all those days, I know.
everything happening, you know, suddenly fast life.
I just burst out crying. I was like, because Shubha Mudgal came and she said, you haven't been selected. You've always been my favorite and, you know, I really wished you made it to the band. And I was like, it's okay. And, I
And
was
you really
sitting-
believed them.
And I completely believed her. Because she said, now promise me that, you know, you will not stop trying, you know. You have your music and, you know, you can carry on. And I was like, yeah, I promise. She's like, get down on your knees.
Go down on your knees. Go down on your knees and promise me. Go down on your knees.
I promise I'll work hard.
And it doesn't matter whether you win contest or not, but you will.
Yeah.
Then I guess I'll have to include you in the final 5. What can I say? Then I'll have to include you. Now get up off your knees. Enough. Get up now.
She wasn't ready for this.
She knew that she was going. My mom started crying and my dad had tears in his eyes. It was like all like a big emotional.
moment, yeah.
Your families were very supportive.
Very
No opposition at all. from them.
And luckily all of us, like equally supportive families. All.
That's my daddy. She's been praying for me.
Without them.
No, nothing.
So you push him.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing.
There were many talented girls in this contest with great voices. What is that special something you four have which made you the winners?
Wow.
I think besides saying how confident we were as people and as voices also, I think they noticed that we are very adaptable as people. We were interacting throughout with each other at every stage.
Yeah, I think that's
How were you?
the fire in all of us, I guess.
What was the highlight?
The main show.
The main show.
The main
For all of us, as a common thought, the main show. When we first faced 60,000 people for the first time in our lives.
And I still get like,
Yeah, goosebumps thinking of it.
really.
Chanting happening of Viva, Viva. That was like,
The lights just came on suddenly. And Jago Zara starts. And the minute I walked in, I saw just people.
But this is a dream.
Oh, I pinched myself on stage and I was like,
Did any of you know each other before the contest?
not at all. We didn't know each other's existence.
Would you have been friends if you'd met each other under different circumstances?
Completely depends on the circumstances.
yeah, completely.
Yes, we could have.
yeah, I mean,
Definitely.
Because the fact that we're living together and we're all happy.
Yeah, you're living together.
Yeah.
yeah.
Is it like a chummery? I mean, it's
It's like a hostel more than anything.
like a hostel. Well, what are the house rules?
No banging the doors. And pick up your own plates.
Yeah, which never happened.
Which never happens. Like this one here.
I always pick up my plates. I
Don't
don't
lie.
pick up my clothes.
No, but she always insists that she does. That way she's consistent.
And no
No
visitors
visitors.
allowed after 12, yeah.
After 12.
Okay, you are all different zodiac signs, I imagine.
Yes.
Same.
Same.
Aquarians.
Yeah.
I'm a Piscean.
Scorpio.
So all different temperaments.
Oh yeah,
except for
complete.
these two.
Yeah.
None of us are like each other.
Yeah.
Do you argue a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, a lot.
Lots. We argue a lot.
If we wouldn't,
we
it would
fight
be
a lot.
unhealthy and not normal at all.
Who's up to mischief all the time?
Anushka and Mawa.
She.
Anushka and Mawa.
Oh, these two. Okay.
I mean, no, and I would be like the ball they would be kicking around, she would be kicking around.
Actually, but we always are pulling each other like that.
Oh,
Actually.
it's
These two are really up to something.
Then we sometimes gang up, three of us together, and let's like today is Neha's
Neha's
day.
I'm a victim a lot of times. by the way.
Both of us
She's
are
a victim
victims.
of pranks, always.
Victim.
I'm a victim of pranks because I fall for it and you're victim.
She's very gullible. That's the whole problem.
Yeah. She just walks into it all the time.
She's
All
a
the time.
dreamer.
Without
She's like, come please pull me now. Pull my leg.
What's your idea of fun?
We sing, we jam, we watch movies, we watch a lot of movies.
A lot of movies.
We do a lot
We
of
just fool
cross
around at
also.
home a lot, yeah.
Do you have friends outside the school?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, now finally we do.
All new friends.
People.
Some new, some old. Like mine are some new, some
some
old.
old, yeah.
But do you feel you still fit in with your old friends?
Yeah.
Completely. Yeah.
The nice part is that our friends do realize that we've made something of ourselves.
very
and,
proud of
you know,
ourselves.
they're very proud and they're always like, when we see your song, we're like, ah, that's my girl. Oh,
I mean,
we
they
should be
like
together.
SMS and say, watch or listen to this radio channel or that
You're on,
that
you know.
channel, you're on TV. They go, okay.
Did any of you leave behind boyfriends?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No.
We've always had friends, but
Yeah, let's
No special.
Yeah, let's
No
be
one
right.
special.
But now you have a special boyfriend. Somebody's boyfriend is in the UK and somebody's in the US.
Wow.
Yours.
It's my friend. I mean, yeah, he Was in UK, he's back.
In India now. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but then I have no ties with anyone as of now, so
Okay.
pretty happy with that.
Really?
Yeah.
You're happier without ties?
Yeah, I
Why?
am. Because as of now, I want to fly, and I don't want anyone to clip my wings.
So you don't want to get into relationships?
Yeah.
Or do you?
I mean, I don't know.
I think we are so early in our career. We're just a year old in the industry. We still have to make a mark first. So I think we are totally focused towards this right now.
Footloose and fancy-free otherwise.
Waiting to mingle.
Waiting? Not waiting very much.
Not waiting actually.
No, we're
you
just
know.
mingling.
Just mingling.
We're going with the flow. I'm going with the flow.
Tell me, do you feel like family or is it professional? You business
Completely
partners?
family. I feel completely
Complete family
at home.
actually.
But we know where to draw the line
Yeah.
at the same time.
Completely.
When we
Like-
know it's to work and somebody is fooling around, like trying to like chalega types, no chalega. Get back on track. I think all of us know that and when to
Yeah.
stop each other.
From the outside, what did you expect showbiz to be like?
Never ever thought it would be a bed of roses.
You never thought?
No.
What about
I
you?
knew it wouldn't be a bed of roses.
I think I have a few friends from the industry, so I knew it was very tough.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hard work.
You knew that?
Yeah.
I really didn't know actually, you know, about.
You know, I think I led a very protective life, so I was a little taken aback when I came here.
So, from the inside, how was it?
But I guess it's got two sides to it. One, yeah, it gives you so much that a person wants out of life, and on the other hand, it takes you away from so much that you've had all your life. So I guess it's you know, it's kind of weird.
Free and
Yeah.
What
finally
was the
make
hardest
it big.
part?
Living
Staying
away from
away.
home.
That was the
Absolutely.
hardest.
That was the hardest.
Well, externally, all of you changed. I mean, from
Yeah.
simple girls
Yeah.
to, you know, glamorous pop stars. I want to ask you, internally, have you changed? You have to.
Yeah, we have.
I guess I have changed a lot.
Because we've been exposed to much more than, you know, ever before. And suddenly, you know, in just 1 year, there's been so much to learn every single day. We had to grow as people, even if we didn't want to.
From what I can make out of you, the core of your family upbringing is still there.
Yeah.
That's what has totally, I think, so kept us down totally and not get all this getting into our heads.
Hasn't gone to your head?
Not at all.
That's pretty good, girls. How long do you see yourselves together as a group?
Wow. As long as it
As long as we can, you know.
The mouthing it, wow. It's
Yeah.
like we all think alike, I think. I think as long as the band really does well.
yeah.
Frankly speaking, I'm speaking for myself now, till we feel that we aren't growing anymore as people, as a band. I think that's when we'll all, I think, have to think about
Moving on.
moving on or trying to look for new ways to grow as artists, because we all are creative people. We cannot be totally bound up with the limitations of just being a band all the time.
Would you go your separate ways perhaps then?
Probably. It's always open to the idea. Whenever that time comes.
It's going to be tougher, isn't it?
Actually, I'm not thinking of it.
We don't think on those lines, but I'm just answering the question
Yeah.
on a very hypothetical
Yeah.
Sure.
A practical.
a very practical situation.
You have to think of it practically,
Yeah,
you
totally.
know. So, I mean, and also if you get married, and if you
Yeah,
get
probably.
married, what will happen then?
No, I think that we can balance
We
out.
can work around that.
Yeah.
Poor guy. Come on.
Well,
on four of you.
he'll manage.
It's too bad for him.
No, but right now we're just.
I can see you're pretty off men at the moment.
No, but right now we're just concentrating on taking one step at a time. So it's just one step at a time, and hopefully just to the top.
So now you're on your second album. Has the novelty worn off?
No.
It's just increased, I think. I mean,
It's yeah. The excitement is so much more.
Why more?
I don't know. There was lots of excitement.
You
in
were
the
so
first-
starry-eyed at that time. Everything was
But you
new
know,
the first time. Now?
Exactly.
Can I
I
tell you
mean,
something?
now.
Honestly, we still are starry-eyed sometimes.
But now you take it much more in your stride, no?
No, we still have difficult times in the studios. We
Frankly,
still have.
I think the best way to say it, I think now we're part of the industry, now we're much more anxious about the second album doing well.
Now they're going to be new pop stars. Does that make you insecure?
Not at all. We were the first and the best.
We will always be the first.
And
Because we're
always
creative.
be the best.
Always be the best.
They will always have to, match up to us. They'll always have to like climb a little higher, and we'll always be up there. A little bit more.
Great. Well,
I mean, no hard feelings or whatever.
Yeah,
First of
because
all,
we
all of
always
them,
say,
but-
we'd always wish them the best of luck with everything that they do, but we know that we're the coolest.
okay, now let me...
Pave the way.
I know, we're so modest now.
But you realize you girls can't ever go back to what you were
Yeah.
once.
No, you don't want to.
You don't want to.
We don't want to.
That was my question.
No, don't want to.
I wanted to ask you, what have you gained and what have you lost?
I think
But you
that's
just
all.
gained a new life.
Yeah, because
There's one life.
now
you
you're
have a
like,
new life.
You just stepped in the right shoes, I guess. I mean, and we are so comfortable with the life. I mean, look like, oh, we were meant to be. It's like
but that has taught us a lot, we've learned how important our family is to us and how important relationships are in life, And as far as gaining is concerned, we've worked with the best of the best, so we've learned so much from everybody, which I think as normal people, even if we wanted to become artists, we wouldn't have gotten to work with like such amazing people, initially.
You have gained a 4 in a billion opportunity
Totally.
of being pop stars, which nobody else could. And then the way I look at it with your grooming, the kind of people who made you and groomed you and transformed you and brought you up there, this is something nobody ever gets. I mean, even movie
Like a
stars.
fairy tale.
Yeah,
like
it's
a
like
fairy
Cinderella. It really is.
Yeah, well, I just hope that fairy tale really continues for you girls, always should be winners, whatever you do.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now I want to hear something from your new album. You going to sing for me?
Sure.
It's our original song. We guys composed it.
Composed it as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
And, Anushka composed it on the piano, and it was.
Written by the both of them.
Lyrics as well.
Yeah.
Wow, very talented.
ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है जाना कि तुमको समझाना ये दिल की बातों का है तराना कि तुमने ना जाना नस नस में दौड़े है ये फसाना कि तुमने पहचाना कर दिया हर दिल को दीवाना क्या तुमको बतलाना क्या तुमको बतलाना क्या तुमको बतलाना
Wow, that's brilliant. Amazing. Huh?
Thank you.